Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am back at my sister's house. I'm doing another renovation, and this one is, I'm actually in the bathroom right now. I'm in my niece's bathroom. I'm going to be renovating this bathroom, just a cosmetic upgrade. I'm not going to be redoing the tub yet. That's going to have to come later down the line. But today, I am just updating, replacing the vanity, replacing the toilet, doing a board and batten wall. So I wanted to give it a nice little upgrade because this bathroom out of her house was not upgraded yet. It is, like I said, my niece's bathroom. So we want to make sure that we're playing with colors that they can't mess up. And that's kind of kid friendly, but just kind of fun, but still nice and updated. So it has like, I think this is the original vanity that may have been in here, but they just painted it and gave it like a cosmetic update. And then the mirror, it's green. I don't know, I don't even know how that fits into here, but it's a green mirror. And then everything else, we're just gonna gut. We're gonna gut everything except for the floors. And I'm gonna do the popcorn ceiling too. I'm still waiting on the test to come back for the popcorn ceiling because I sent it off because this house was built in the 80s. So I wasn't sure if it was asbestos in that ceiling. So we sent that off. I bought a test kit, so I'm waiting on that. But other than that, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First thing I'm gonna do is remove everything.
Like this.
Just stand there. You got it?
Yeah, I didn't realize I did.
Did I tell you not to touch anything? And what you do?
Touch it.
You touched it. she just said, let me go ahead and just. We had multiple conversations. Good job. Okay.
You take the toilet off.
What are you gagging for?
You don't smell that. I feel bad.
Excuse me. Oh, not even cooked.
Is it on?
It's just sitting on here. Oh. Yeah, I don't think this vanity is attached either. I looked to see if it was some screws in the wall, but I ain't seen none.
That's dangerous, ain't it?
I mean,
No.
it just ain't gonna move, but yeah, it could be.
Oh, no.
Look at that. This way, get them light bulbs.
Oh.
Ooh, it's cool.
Oh. Was that supposed to come up too?
No. Okay, y'all, so I have everything cleared out of the bathroom. Mirror, vanity, everything's gone. All right, so now the plan is to go ahead and start doing my board and batten on the wall and install the new baseboards. I kind of already started down there.
Come here.
Hey y'all, back at my sister's house. So it is day 3, I believe, of this makeover, and I have to split mine up because I do still work full time. So I have to split my projects up kind of in like whatever time I can, get in there. So I finished up the board and batten last week when I was here. Actually Sunday, today is Tuesday. And then now I am getting ready to paint up here. I'm doing 2 separate colors, which I'm really excited about. I think it's already looking so well, and just to have that pop of color is going to make it contrast even more. Hey y'all, so I'm back at my sister's house. I'm getting ready to remove the popcorn ceiling. I finished painting last night, so the only thing I do have to do some touch-up painting. Let me not say that. So today I'm planning on knocking out the popcorn ceiling. I finally got the test back. It came back negative, so it's no asbestos in her popcorn ceiling. So we're just gonna remove it. It's only a little bit, and she wants to help, so she's gonna help me with that. Now, also today, I plan on installing the toilet and possibly the vanity, and then we're gonna bring in the mirror and the new lights tomorrow, and we're gonna be done. But I also do need to paint the ceiling. That's not gonna be hard. It's really just knocking it out. I'm gonna extend the top color onto the ceiling and then knock that out. But right now we're just gonna go ahead and remove this popcorn ceiling. Y'all know I do the same method. I literally just spray water on it, warm water, let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then come back and scrape it off. Knocks it out every time. So let's get started.
What?
These shoes came out last December.
The walls. Just wipe down the walls. Oh, wipe it? Yeah. Oh, the towels in there. Rags. Is that okay if I come in the video?
Okay, y'all. About to get scraping.
You good?
You can use a little bit more water. Okay, need a little bit more? Probably just a bit.
My sister wants to give it a try. Remove popcorn ceiling. She says it looks ASMR, therapeutic.
I'm doing it!
I told you it's not hard, you just scrape.
This is a special. I feel like a big kid playing with Play-Doh for the first time.
Not anyone. Yeah, this side coming off easier. I spray more water on this side than the other side, so definitely need to saturate it. So I eventually went and got a mirror, and it was too big. Actually, we ordered one from Wayfair, and it was too big. So I just went to Lowe's and I picked up a mirror, and let me show y'all. Look at it. Look how cute it is. Can y'all see it? It's so cute. I feel like it looks so good in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount it onto the wall. Okay. Okay, we're good. Woo! It's cute. Look at these. Look how cute these are. I got these from Lowe's also. It's the Origin 21 artwork set. It was on sale, look, $12.42. But it goes so good. When y'all see everything together, it's gonna look so great in here. This is like the first like kitty thing that I feel like I've done. Chrissy's room was kitty, but it was more of a, how do I explain it? Like a
Mature kitty.
Yeah, it was preteen, mature kitty. So this is what we're gonna do in their bathroom, which is for a 2-year-old and a 9-year-old. So I wanted it to feel a little bit fun and, you know, colorful. And there is the bathroom, guys. It turned out so amazing. It is beautiful and my nieces love it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to leave this video a huge like and subscribe so I can reach even more people to share my DIY projects with you all. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.